Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. A few days ago, I compared the Blender simulation system, the water simulation system, when I say it exactly, and I just played around with the subdivision settings and with the resolution and came to a really nice result, and I wanted to share it with you. So the first simulation you see is really rough, you know. You can only see a few details. So these are just, so this simulation is just 32 resolution divisions. Then the next thing, 128 resolution divisions. This is a lot more, and you can see it pretty quickly. There are more details, and it's pretty nice actually. And then I sat down on my PC and made a 512 resolution division simulation. And yeah, it's much more detail. It took a long time, a really long time to make, because my PC just sucks. My CPU is only 4 cores. So it took a really long time. So yeah, I hope you appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.